The importance of PLC program simulation. Welcome to our exploration of PLC program simulation. Let's dive into its critical role in automation. First, error detection. Simulation identifies program errors without affecting actual machinery, keeping everything safe. Next, it's cost-effective. Testing in a virtual environment saves time and resources before real implementations. Safety is paramount. Simulations ensure programs run safely, minimizing hazards before hitting the floor. Efficiency comes next. Thorough testing results in fine-tuning, leading to smooth operations in real-life situations. How do you incorporate simulation into your PLC programming? Comment your methods below. Join a community of professionals who understand the importance of simulation in automation projects. Follow for more insights on automation. Stay informed with our latest tips and tricks. Visit our website for in-depth resources and guidance on PLC programming and simulations. Thank you for watching. Remember, simulation is the first step to successful automation.